Thank you everyone for being here. If you're watching on replay, thank you so much for being here. I'm just going live right now. Alex is going to be joining in just a second to talk about, he just posted a post about car fresheners that he just got made. I'm getting you on right now, boo.
Hi. I had quite a few people ask me how to make these. Let me see if I can turn this around. Hey, so I got these made at a local store. They do a lot of like laser engraving and like custom mugs and all that kind of good stuff. And I got them made because I wanted to do car fresheners forever, but I never found a good solution. So I was sitting upstairs one day looking at the Christmas tree and I'm like, wow, I would really love a way to make my fake Christmas tree smell real. And I was like, oh, scented ornaments. I could do like little wood discs. And I was like, wait, hold on. I can do car fresheners like this. So I did a little sample, did a test run, got these made.
Wow, that was
they just have these sheets of plywood. You can't see really well because it's burnt from the laser, but it's like 3-ply. It's like birch. And they just cut them out with the laser, cut the hole out, and it sits there and engraves them. I'm going to try to get a video of them making it, actually. And I found a website that had the little pull chain for a ceiling fan.
nice.
And it's copper, so it matches like the top of my candles.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
And their little clasps are still on their way. And I was going to sit here and make one for everybody if you want to know how to make them.
Yes.
So I just have like a 500 count bag of these little pipers.
Yeah.
And I just may have to put the phone down. Hang on. So, sorry guys, I know my photography or videography is awful. So it does not take nearly this much, but you just work some on there and just wipe it around until it soaks in all the wood. And that's it.
So how much do you normally put? Just like one little or not even?
No, not even. Like it's usually just like that's how much is left, and I've got most of this covered.
Nice, and it dries clear?
Yep.
Oh,
so I haven't had any that dry. I'm not saying all fragrances will. I don't know. Haven't tried every fragrance in the world, but all of them that I've tried have been. That's about how much is left. They've been fine. They dry. You just have to let them dry for a while. And then like once this side dries, I flip it over, do it to the back side, and then it's done. I do have, don't mind my messy office.
My warehouse is the same way. We have like boxes everywhere.
Yeah, guys, this is what making candles looks like. An absolute crazy nightmare.
That's success right there. Business owning.
So I just bought these little baggies on Uline. They're polyethylene, which is safe for fragrance oil. As far as my research can tell, I'm not a certified plastic engineer, so I don't know. These were actually a little too small. So if you do order, I suggest ordering an inch bigger than what you think, and you should be fine.
Okay.
Somebody was asking me about like holding scent. If it can hold scent in my open car for 4 weeks so far, then I don't know why I wouldn't hold scent in a plastic bag.
Oh my gosh, Alex, you're the bomb. So Alex, if you guys don't know, this is Alex, and you see him a lot in the group, and he is from Bloom.
Hello. Hi, everybody. But that's it, guys. I'm not going to take up much time. Just wanted to hop on.
All right. Bye, guys. Have a great day. Oh, don't forget to join the big giveaway
Yes.
tonight. We're giving away candle science scents tonight. So
I better win that one because, as you can see, all candle science.
I might be live in a couple minutes. I have a box coming to me that has every single sample of candle science in there. I know. I got it on a D-stash. Someone bought every single one and was D-stashing it. And she's like, anyone want this? I'm like, yeah.
See, I was going to do that, but I've been waiting on a sale, but they keep postponing them.
Yeah, so you guys will see me on some YouTube videos reviewing those. I mean, every single thing. So, yay!
All right. Bye, guys.
All right. Bye, Alex.